Hopefully this time works better. Hopefully. Um, try to figure it out today, man. Gotta figure this out today, really. Let me tag everyone here. All right, can you guys now see the stream? If everything working good, can you guys see my screen moving? Can you guys see the time clocking? So just let me know because I just checked the previous stream and the screen was frozen the whole time. So let me know if you guys can see my stream moving, like the screen moving right now. I'm trying to move the mouse, trying to move the chart. So let me know if you guys can see that or not. 你好，谢谢。All right, you guys can see. All right, you guys can see. You guys can. Okay, finally, man. Oh my god. Hopefully that stays like that, man. That'll be the happiest day of my life. Oh, let me check if I am not sharing. Okay. All right. Finally, man. Finally. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. When's my last stream? What the fuck? Let me check. Even like check that out, bro. Even Iceman is out, and my stream is not out. I haven't started streaming yet, bro. By the way, this shit is too good, man. Even though like I'm just liking 2 songs, I don't need to like all the songs. I just go and play the whole album. This shit is so hard. If you disagree, if you disagree, then that's a big issue. Wait, about to say that screen was frozen. You went offline. Yup, it was frozen all time. When I checked, that's why I turned off the stream. Oh my god, bro. It's really good to have y'all back and to be back, man. I think I lost a piece of myself, man, when I stopped streaming. Really. Hey Tom, Robson, how you guys are doing? AJ, Dave, Antonio, how you guys are doing? Everybody's doing great, and it's a really great day. Let me check when's my last stream. Let me check, bro. That shit has been ages, bro. Let me check. Channel dashboard. April 20. Oh my god, bro. May and June. Literally, bro. I've been gone for 2 months. What the fuck, dog? 10th to 22nd. Oh my god, bro. All right. Hopefully we're back at it this time. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. Your shit is too bad, man. I took a trade, by the way. I haven't been really locking in on trading lately, bro. I haven't been really trading that much. I took a sell here on a 3-minute from that gap. 2-stage from that gap. And then price fucked around quite a lot. We formed that 30-minute low. I was like, you know what? Let me just move my stop. I was going to actually target this EQ. This is how the trade was going to be. But it just ranged too hard. And I was like, you know what? Let me lock in, I don't know, like $150 here or some shit like that. Yeah, it was like an easy, if you really check. And I took an L yesterday, by the way. I took this L here. Oh, what the fuck? Why does it look this ugly? This is how it looked like. Let me take that off. I took this CISD. Took this CISD here. But I think, I don't know, bro. I took this retest. I don't know. I think I got taken out. And I was going to take a sell from here, but I never got the retest. And then somewhere in here, I went to bed because that was like 3 a.m. for me. Almost 3 a.m. And I went to bed. Then traded above one more time. Formed an SMT. No, like that's not SMT. Let me take that out. And yeah, then price just expanded lower. And then from today, I just like, if you really just check, we kind of rebalanced this current leg here with like a 2-stage cracking correlation. This is the continuation, but again, if you really look at it, we're trading higher now. We're expecting like a bullish PDRA. So ideally, you want to look for like a 2-stage cracking correlation, which we do have here, if I don't remember. That's a PSP. If you really check PSP, trade a higher high, trade a lower high. Then I just executed on this CISD. When we formed the CISD, I did not really execute right here. I don't remember why. Was it M5? Yeah, I was waiting for M5. I was like, you know what, let me wait for M5. Once we get that M5 closure, we formed the gap on M3. Then I took the retest on the gap. If you guys really check, that's the gap. And by the way, after we get that CISD, I trailed my stop here. And actually, it did trade above, but lucky enough, I did not get taken out. I was like one tick away, and that's like one of my luckiest days. And yeah, I just like price range too much, and then I got out here just at that low, so you guys can see. But then price just like literally went to TP, but it's alright. That was gonna be like I just got in with one contract, bro. Like a $300 win. And yeah, that's really it because I haven't really traded for like these past two months, bro. I don't know, like you can count them on. Any update? Are you married? No, bro, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not married, bro. I broke up. It's the opposite. It's quite the opposite. I'm just kidding. No, it's just been like a lot of life decisions that I have to take for my future, man, because this is the time to take a lot of decisions. And I've been doing a lot of different things. That's really it. Was about to say that's okay. And we got 16 viewers here, only one like. Come on, guys. Let's see 10 likes. It's been a minute, bro, since we haven't streamed. So come on, let's take it to like, I don't know, 10 likes. That would be really good if we can take it to 10 likes in the first stream. Let's go. Let's get it. Bro, what indicator are you using? Which one? This one? These are all my indicators, bro. AG, hour time frame, TTFM. Oh, I cannot say that one. Precision swing point, this is my indicator. But this one is like ICT, higher time frame candles by Faddy. Does that. So, all right, let me check. Let's see what's going on with the 4 hour. Let's try to trade that 6 a.m. candle. Really, if you look at the daily, your voice is too low. Now it's gonna be good, all right? Now let me check. Can you guys hear me now better? Is it now better? Can I get? Yeah, of course, man. You just go ahead to indicators and then you go to this one. By. All right, you know what? Let me try to do something here for you. Can I share it? This needs a boost. Actually, it's really good. All right, here you guys, guy. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Where are you from? I'm from the country where Kiko is from. By the way, guys, do you guys know where Kiko is from? Kiko on the one in Market Lens. I was surprised, bro. I was really surprised. You guys know this guy? Let me check. People, please. I know. Let me try to go with light shot. Inside of a squeeze. Light shot. Do you guys know this guy? Kiko Undercover. I'm from where he's from. So if you guys can figure it out, you guys got it. You guys know. But the people that already know where I'm from, then he's from, yeah, Morocco. Yes, I'm from Morocco. And Kiko is also from Morocco. And I was surprised, bro, the other day. We were talking, and I told him, man, you should come to Morocco. And then after like a month, oh, wait, let me share the conversation. I don't know if I can share the conversation. Let me see. Let me see if I can share our conversation. Let me see. Let me try to keep it private. Where is it? 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 I don't know. There are quite a lot of messages. Can you explain your trade? Yeah, of course, brother. I feel you guys really took at the daily. Bro, please share me. I did, bro. Like, just check the chat. The chat. I sent the link on the chat for the Wolf ICT. If you really check, this is like one of the few times where I look at the daily. If you really check, we have a C2. We have a clear drawn liquidity. You know what? Let's go to InQ to make things a lot easier for you guys. Oh wow, wow. Did I annotate all of this today? Wow. Interesting. If you really look at the daily, we have a C2, we have a clean drawn liquidity, and where price can reverse from? This low, right? This is the only area that price can reverse from. And if we're gonna look for longs, this is the area to do it from. So again, you either trade into this or trade away from this, or trade into it. If you don't manage to trade into it, then what do you wait for? A pullback, retracement, then a failure to manipulate signature and trade back in it for the second drive. Because for the people that are here or that know me for a long time, if you guys just really know, when we have a key level, we can either reverse from the key level or for me level to reverse off of before continuation. So if you guys really check, let me pay attention. Let me see if we can see something here. I cannot really, because it's the daily. I think it's gonna be a little bit hard to kind of spot a level. Yeah, for example, we cheated above this high, right? But we did not really reverse directly, but we formed another high, which is a key level, which is the previous daily high, then we reversed off of it. So this is what I'm talking about. We can either reverse directly from the level, tap it and go, or tap it, retrace, then tap it and go. So these are the two things. You can either, if when price is here, you can trade back into this level, or if this is a key level and you see like a 2-stage, you can try to go to rebalance the range, or if you think it's a reversal, then you can trade back into the high. So that was the idea for me. Since we traded into it and we do have a 2-stage cracking correlation, then most likely we're gonna revisit that level again, and we're gonna take out that low. So that was the idea for me. So if we really check, we have the C2, we traded back into the level. What do we have? We have a retracement to do what? To kind of rebalance this range here. We traded back to the EQ. And we do have a 2-stage cracking correlation here on the 30-minute. PSP with SMT. So the SMT confirms the PSP. 3-minute, that's a V-shape for me. We just traded back. Then traded again. We left the gap. Then I traded away from the gap. I wanted to look for the EQ. Oh, wait. I'm planning to actually take this M5. I was gonna take this M15, but I missed the retracement. Because 6 anyways. So that's like the whole idea. 30-minute 2-stage cracking correlation, showing that probably we're gonna fail to manipulate, and at least we're gonna trade back into the EQ of this current leg here. I'm not really gonna go for like this low here because it's a little bit spaced out and price has like already expanded quite a lot. And if you really check, we have this key level here, which we already traded into it, and the next key level is here. And to trade like from here to here is like a little bit far compared to like how the daily has already opened. Like we have already expanded quite a lot. So that's why I just kind of looked for that quick move to kind of rebalance the range. But unfortunately, I ended up like getting out here. When price was ranging quite a lot, I was like, maybe we're going to have AMD. Then we're going to just sweep and continue higher, maybe to like to trade a little bit higher. But we did not. So yeah, that's like the trade for me. But it was not managed well. That could have been like a 3R instead. Let me get that out of the way. Getting something to kill. Bro, be linking up with everyone in 2 months. Not but we did not link up. We just like on Instagram. I did join Discord, bro. How to identify failure to manipulate? That's a really good question. I think I'm gonna do a video for it. But either a new swing formation with a cracking correlation or Misty ISD. These are like the two easiest things to do. Go to resources section. It should be. Atom, I love you, my brother. Atom and Robson, I love you guys. These hoes know up before rain. Yeah. I really almost showed this the audio. Wait. Let me get that. Wait. For real. That's it. I don't want to get copyright on the first day. It's really good to be back, man. It's really good. Wow. For real. Let me see. What time is on the stream right now? Logitech. Let me go to Logitech. I DM'd you in Discord, but you did. Oh. I DM'd you in Discord, but you did. What? DM'd you on Discord? Let me check. Oh. Let me check. Free bands and stuff again. I don't know why Discord is not really loading up. Wait, let me get this right. What's wrong? The DPS. Take this out of the way. One sec, guys, let me fix my mouse. It's moving too fast. Alright, now we good. Let me check the Discord. Oh, here. Let me check him out. Ni hao? Ni hao? Ni hao, shishi twin. That's good. Oh, man, for fuck's sake. uh, let me see the other. Oh, hey, bro, you good? Up everything? Oh, man, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thanks, G. Thanks, dog. Go back with Taliban. All right, let me check the friend. Come right now. Bring a friend from my friend. Hey, bro, I want. Hey, bro, Stone, please, when you up. Bro, what the fuck? This DM? Look at that, bro. From May 1st. Oh my god, bro. I haven't really paid attention to it. Accept DM. Let me. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. I'm back. Streaming. Can join and ask. Alright. Alright, we good. Bro, be linking up with everyone. Dark. Discord is there. I did join Discord. Auto identify. Go to resources. I DM to. Bro, I played C3 in gold today. Got a decent TP. Chick wants. I was actually gonna go for a long on gold. Where's my? If you guys really check, I wanted to go from this M15 gap, but unfortunately I did not. On the H4. Yep. You traded this candle? Nice. We had like this SMT here. It was good. That was a good trade back to the external. That was a really good trade. That's a really good trade, by the way. Also like this, if you traded like this candle layer. I don't know if there was a trade or not. Yeah, probably there was after this CISD. That's a good trade. But like that was like so high, so up in a leg for me to trade. I wanted to trade like from this M15 gap. If you guys really check, I wanted to trade from this M15 gap. And look, it missed my alert with like, let me add the lines. Like one tick? Not even a tick, bro. What the fuck? Oh my god, and it did not turn. Nah, I did not really pay attention to it. And it just left. But I did. Oh, by the way, I did get in on a long after later on. Let me check. I did actually get in on a long, but I managed quickly, and I did not take an L on. Yeah, if you guys really check, it was up so high up in the leg, and I was like, nah, that's not good. I took this CISD. I took this CISD here. As soon as we got the CISD, where did I get on from? Oh yeah, we got this CISD. Stop there. And then I did not like how price was moving. I was like, yo, look at that. I'm in extreme up. And I was like, nah, that's not good. And I just closed the trade. Ice Mentor. Yo, this like zoomed out. Zoomed in. Let me get this right. Let me try to get this right. And we have Future album coming in. Do you guys listen to Future or not? Do you guys listen to Future or not? Many Shabang. What are they? All right, so for now, let's try to go with what's going on right now. If you guys really check, we're just ranging right now. So like, if I want to go for shores, ideally, I want to say this I getting taken out real because there's no key level here. Like we do have this as a key level, and this is like a spaced out swing compared to like these two. This swing and that swing are a little bit spaced out, so you can frame reversals from here. But let's see if we have like a clean swing with like one stage or two stage, ideally, that would be great. Let's see, 30-minute. Let's see if we're gonna get something decent here. So let's see. I don't know if I can stream at night, like at 9:30, but I'll try to see. Hopefully I can stream tonight too. but probably not gonna be home. Most likely than not. So again, let's check the 4 hour. If you guys really check, this is a C2. Um, so we have a C2. We kind of have like the what is it called? The reversal has already been established with like the 2 stage on 30 minutes with like that 2 stage. So now what we can do is just like trade a continuation. And again, this is something I've been like really using, like trying to use in my trading, just like the rebalance of the range. That's really good. So let's see. Either like I wait for the EQ to get tapped, or I wait for like a key, like a high or low to get hit. For now, we're within that gap, and we only have this key level here within that gap. I don't like. Maybe like I would prefer price to trade back into the high on ES due to the fact that if you guys really check, price has traded like beyond this high, traded like a little bit beyond it. So I would love for ES to take out the high, while ES keeps it intact. That would be good. That would be like a possible good trade. So let's see. Try to frame like a like continuation from here. Or just like trading back to that 2 a.m. open and kind of like find a reaction from it. I don't like this failure to display slower. So yeah. Let me see. Before you can what? We even got the carrot face reveal. Oh yes. Yeah, so I'm in his car with like wearing glasses, right? What do you think of you need to control your emotion while trading? Dr. Mike. Where's Dr. Mike? I keep on sabotaging my own trades a lot. Took decent trades, but then panic, closed them, and then overtraded and lost all the profits. And I feel you, bro. I feel you. So yeah, just gotta get the emotions right, bro. And I still like, to be honest, I still sometimes fuck up too. Like still to this day, I did. Atom was here when I fucked up. There was a day where I fucked up on stream. I fucked up really hard. So yeah, that's part of the process. You just gotta learn from it and move on. That's it. So I think everybody's gonna go through that period. Like, so yeah, and even when you're profitable or like probably after like a year or two, you're still gonna fuck up. So that's part of the process. I think there will be days where you'll tilt. So, but just don't tilt too hard, man. To not lose it all at once. What do you think about Garrett mentorship, man? I really have no idea, man. I just saw like the intro, and that's really it. I don't know like what's inside, who's there, what's going on. But let me check right now. GxT. Is it open? Is it open? I don't think it's open, right? Yeah, I think there's no mentorship yet. I don't know. It'll be like next month. Yeah, good old. Bro, can you backtest today's profile? How, when, where you plan to enter and all? Can you? Bro, can you backtest? I did already. Like I did. Like if you just go back in the stream, like I don't know, like 10 minutes ago, you'll find the whole process. But just easy. Daily, previous C2, open high first, showing expansion, showing. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. You know what? Let's do it. Let me do let me go to like a new chart here, the clean one. Alright, let me get down. What's this? Let me take this off. This is not a trade I took. It's not a trade I took. Oh no, this is the trade I took. Where was it? This is the trade I took yesterday. Oh no, this. This I took yesterday. Anyways, let's go to today. Let's clean the chart. Let me try to change the color of the PSP. Try to keep it blue. Alright, these blue candles are PSPs, okay? So if you guys really check, where's 1800? This is 1800, right? 1800. We have this CISD. Failure to displace above this high. CISD. So if you really check, this is not the ideal. Like, if you really want to confirm the high day. Ideally, you want to see like a gap or something. Like we're already trading within this gap, but this gap haven't really done much. Like we're just forming high and seeing like retracements back into the range. But traded back up, traded open high first, which shows that we have a possible bearish day. Keeping in mind the previous day was a C2, right? And also a PSP. Wow, I did not really pay attention. Was it? Wait, let me check. Did we have a two-stage? Did we have a two-stage? Yeah, we did. Oh, yesterday we do have a two-stage PSP. This is a PSP. Then we took out a high on ES. We did not. Oh, now just got added like extra confluence. What do we have? If you have a two-stage PSP from a gap, like look at that. Not only that, I think we did rebalance this leg. We did. We rebalanced the leg. We traded back into the daily gap. We have a two-stage PSP. And what do we have? A clean target, which is this low here, right? So with this daily open, you can easily trade back to this open, into this current weekly low. I think this is the current weekly low, right? And what do we have? If you got in on that trade, this PSP here, like if this was like an SMT, that would be perfect, but it's not. I don't think it's an SMT, right? Yeah, it's not. Is it? No, it's not. YM. Let me check if we do have VIP. Oh, I think we do. No, I don't think so. 26, 26. Yeah, these are just equal highs. These are just equal highs. But if this was like an SMT, that would be great. You can easily trade this expansion here into the low. Especially that if you look on the hourly, there's nothing really we can reverse off of here. Like no gap or nothing like that. And to 30-minute, nothing. So this is all efficient pricing for me. Like there's nothing to really struggle with. It's just gonna like go directly, and that's really what happened. So when we traded back into the low, again, what can we do from a key level? We either, when price trades into a key level, either we retrace, range. These are the two things we can do, right? Or just fail to manipulate and continue lower. In that case, we have the retracement. So we have expansion. We have the two-stage here, expanded. This is the daily open. So we have open high. This is the current low of day. We retrace back into the EQ. This is what we did right now. This is the current daily range. If you really check, this is the current daily high, and this is the current daily low. We retreated back into like this gap here. And not only that, what do we have? We have a PSP. I have a PSP here. We have a PSP here. Why is this a PSP? You guys know? Like, let's just make it with ES because it's more correlated. This one is bearish. This one is bullish, right? So first, trade it into a key level. Not really reversing. We're having a two-stage PSP where we just rebalance the leg. We also have this 30-minute gap. Let me see. I think we also have 4-hour gap, if I do remember. We're sitting within like a 4-hour gap, if I do remember. Yep, exactly. We're sitting within like the only key level that's going to make price continue lower. If we're going to continue lower, this 4-hour gap is the only area we're going to reverse from, right? So we're sitting within like a 4-hour gap. And we do have 30-minute PSP. So if we really drop down to the 3-minute, what we'll see is that this is the current high of that 30-minute candle. This is the current high of that 30-minute candle, right? Skip price forward. What do we have? Now we just formed the second stage. Now the SMT confirmed the PSP with the CISD. And this is a V shape. Like just look at that, in and out within the same candle. So here you could take this one, put your stop above the high. And then if you really check on an hourly, we have this gap here, right? But do you think this gap has done anything significant? Not really. Not really. Like for me, I haven't done anything significant. Like it did not really break any key level or anything like that. It did not break a high. It's just a gap. Price might struggle a little bit here, just to kind of like be the catalyst. It can be like a CFP. If you guys know a CFP, catalyst for a pullback. So it can be just a catalyst for a pullback to kind of like rebalance this current range here, maybe like form a new swing and then continue lower. Or we can just trade lower. But the other fact that price is a little bit far away from the low. Like if you really check, we're a bit far away. And also price has already expanded. What I did is just like I went from the EQ and I just wanted like price to trade back into the EQ to leg. If price continued, good. If price did not continue beyond it, that's good. So that was like the whole process for me. But I did not really wait for the M3. I was waiting for the M5. So once we got the M5 closure, let me just try to skip price here. Once we get the M5 closure, if you go to M3, you'll see that we formed a gap here, right? We formed the gap, and then I was like, okay, that's looking good. I'm gonna put my limit here. I'm gonna put my stop at the high, and I'm gonna go for this. And if you really check the EQ, there's where I have this low here, this clean low. So that was like the whole trade for me. That's like the process for the trade. So that's what I did. If you guys really check, it tagged me in. I got tagged in. I got tagged in. Oh wait, let me take another short. You know what? Let me do something here. Let me keep it just like we did, just like I did. So I got tagged in right there. And after 6 minutes, I guess, we got the CISD. So now what do we have? Protected swing. This is a protected swing. And now we've just formed another protected swing, right? And if we really check, this is new 15-minute candle. So within that 15-minute candle, we have a new invalidation level. So that's what I did. I moved my stop here. I just moved it to something like this. And then, let me put it higher a little bit to not get tagged out. I was lucky enough to stay in a trade because price did actually trade above the high. It did actually trade above. Oh, on NQ it did not, but on MNQ, it actually did trade above the high. Let me go to MNQ to show y'all. It did actually trade above the high, so I was lucky there. I was lucky to not get taken out. Where is it? Here. If you guys really pay attention, we did trade above it. If you guys really check, but my stop was somewhere in here, like just like I don't know, it's like 2 points away. And yeah, and when I saw price that was ranging there, and we have price just struggling to break, what I did just moved my TP here. And that was not the wisest decision because that was like a 1 hour trade. And then unfortunately, price did trade lower, tagged me out, and then it went directly to my TP, which was it this? I don't really remember. Was it the EQ or I don't really remember. And then yeah, price just kind of went there and went for a full trade. That's really it. That's really my trade. And now I just want to look for further continuations. We expanded. Oh wow, I like what I'm seeing right now. I like this expansion really. So all right, let's get back. Let's hit M15. What happened on M15? 30 minutes, 45. I actually like this. 6 a.m. candle. I was looking like. It's just like inside barring. Like the current 4 hour candle is just inside barring. So let me get this out of the way. All right, let me go to MNQ because I'm not gonna execute an NQ. And that's the execution. Like I got in there, I got out there. Yeah. I was just going for the EQ. I was not going for this low. I was going for the EQ. But we don't have any cracks in correlation here. That's the only issue. We don't have any SMT. Nothing like that. So that's the only problem with this trade. Yeah. The only thing is like a PSB, but the candle hasn't closed yet, so I cannot really tell if it's going to be a PSB or not. So I gotta wait for this 30-minute candle to close. We have no cracks in correlation, so I cannot really take it. At least you would require like a 1 stage to At least you'd require like a 1 stage for a continuation, but we don't have it, so just gotta wait. But I love how prices expanded lower, actually. I do like it. Let me see it. Stop size. 62 points. Do I have like $130? 125? Risk. And I don't like the fact that like these are a little bit of filler swings. Let me set it YM. No, YM is really good. Like this is the type of reversal you want to see. Once you trade above a key level, you just reverse. Like the expansion on YM is a lot better actually. But yeah, I'll just stick to ES and NQ. Let me go to gold. And silver. Just ranging for now. Nothing really. RB. Nothing really. I was gonna take a short on RB, by the way. I was waiting for this. Was it the hourly? I think it was the 90-minute, I think, if I do remember. Was it the M15? Yeah. But I was gonna take a short from here, from this gap. But I missed out on it. I did not really pay that much attention to it. Bro, can you, okay, your XID name. I don't even know, man. Because I don't post on Twitter that much. not that much. At all. I don't post at all. Garrett is there along with Splash and other guy. Alright, July 1st. Okay. Can you check 6E or 6B? Alright. You're sort of everyone starting to trade in Asia too. Due to exactly, man. I think, yeah. And I think I might do the same because this is the morning for me, so I think I might start doing the same. It's good. It's really good. Thanks, bro. You're welcome, man. I took that 3 minutes to SD at decent profits, didn't book, price pulled back, and I closed it. Then the trade absolutely ripped. I see. I think you gotta work on your management there. I also sometimes fuck up the management. But I think I'm gonna start going full in, like either a full loss or a full L or full W. I think that's gonna be my process soon. I just gotta get back in flow with the charts again, and then yeah. واش برادر واش كي داير اخاي شو هذاك B's on the table. B's on the table. B's on the table. You guys listen to the radio by Future? Just got dropped today. Was it today? Yeah, today. 26, yeah. Because I woke up and then it's a good one. And we're seeing the real me. July 10th, another album. Another banger album by Future, hopefully. Look at that, bro. I've liked 125 songs by Future. Oh my god. 125. It's crazy shit. Let me check 6E. But again, this is like all inside. I wouldn't actually trade it, to be honest. Just look at that. There's just sitting within a range right now. Yeah. It's not. We have like already expanded quite a lot. Like with like 6E, 6B, like all these index futures here, not index futures, like the currency futures. Ideally you want to trade like daily setup, maybe like a C2 or like a two-stage Kraken correlation on daily or something like that. That would be a lot better. So then going with like a 4-hour and try to profile a 4-hour candle. Yeah. Let me check the hourly. Yeah, it's quite messy. It's quite messy. Maybe like this. Once you have a high, and then it fails to this place above a high, then you might have a setup. That might do it. Just try to trade back into like lows here. But yeah, it's not really the cleanest, man. Like ideally you want to with like a daily setup. Like probably like a C2 on a daily or like a C3 with like a clean drone liquidity. Or for example, you can trade this day with anticipation that we're most likely not gonna reverse from here. So you can trade this day into this gap here. But this gap here, is that a C2? Let me check. Do I have like this SMG here? I mean, this one is good. This setup is good. But it's just not the cleanest. It's just not the cleanest. We do have like a C3 here, confirming this CISD, and you can trade this one back into the highs. And you try to kind of like profile the low of this candle, maybe like on a 30-minute instead of like the hourly. But still, it's not really the cleanest. Go to M5. You couldn't have gotten an entry anyways on M5. Let me see M3. Maybe on M3 here. It's like this intracandle CISD. But still, it's not really cleanest. Maybe like stick to indices and gold. Or just indices for now. Yeah, I'm thinking the same. Put the trade close. On the long term, it will not help you if you just like get on a trade and close the chart and then go about your day. Maybe you'll miss a lot of info that. Yeah, just stay on a chart, bro. Just get used to it. Just get used to the feeling of like the numbers being up and down. DM me, bro. You DM'd me where? Discord or? Let me check the Discord. I don't know if this is Discord or. Can it chill and kicking it chill and giving out verses. All right, I got it. I got your DM. What VPN do you use? Right now called Cham. Cham VPN. Can you adjust the PSP indicator for the XY? Yes, you can. We can do it right now. Let's give it a shot. Let's try to do it right now. Let's go to PSP. Oh, this one I love this song, bro. I love plot twist. It's really good. October Zone is even about on the neighbors. Can go 6E. Can go 6B. But the XY is like opposite correlation, so ideally you don't want to include it. You can just add 6B here too. And then let's see if it's gonna spot the PSPs. Let me check. Let me see. It's preset 5. Preset 5. Let's go preset 5. Okay. And yep, it works. So let's see if it really works or not. So this one is bullish. If you really check, this one is bullish. Here it's bearish. This one is bearish. Here it's bullish. Here, this one, let me see. This one, I don't really know. But I think it's bearish. Let me turn off the indicator. Yeah, it's bearish. This one is bullish. This one is bearish expansion. This one's bullish, so it works. Maybe you just gotta change the preset. Because if you put it in auto, let me check if it can detect it. Nah. So ideally, if you try to go with like go with the preset that you got it, that would work. That would make it work. So you can just go to the indicator and then try to do edit whatever you want. You got like 5 presets, so NSCs, metals, energy, and you got like two presets that you can, I don't know, like do currency futures or whatever. And you got 2, and you can also change these, by the way. But this is just like the default settings for you. But for example, you can do here just gold, like gold, and then XU Euro, XU GPP, and here like silver, and then this is oil, and then you can do like an extra. So you can play with it. The problem with the XY is like opposite correlation. That's the problem. So it will be messy. Let me check. I think it will show PSP everywhere. The XY. Will it? Let me check. Oh, stayed the same. Wait, let me check. Isn't XY opposite correlation? Yeah, it's opposite correlation. That's what I'm talking about. So it's supposed like to print PSPs everywhere. Let me do the XY on another capital.com. I don't know. But like it's like opposite correlation, so it's not really good. It will not work good with. You have to do it manually maybe. But here, even though like I did the XY, it's still like just printed the ones that were there. So I think that's good. I think that's good maybe. Because like for the XY and 6E for a PSP, they should be the same color. This is the PSP here, not the opposite. So, like for example, let me check. Like here, it's a PSP. Like this one is bearish. For example, this one is bearish, and where's that same candle? It's right there. So now that's a PSP. Can you just, yeah, okay, thank you, man. You're welcome, man. If the market sweeps that level, it will provide you a good sell. Exactly. So I'm trying to wait for that high to get taken out. But let's see if we're gonna get it or not. Can you invite in the settings? Can you invite in this message or trade? Okay. I got Nike shoes. I got. Oh wow, that's super. Meowing phone. Yay. Whoa, living life. Ba-da-bum, bum, bum. So what do we see? We're seeing that we have like this is empty here, right? But let me take that off because it's showing on the PSP from the preset file. Let me make it auto, and then it will decide that this is. If you guys really check, this is bullish. This one's bearish, so it detects it automatically. So let me change the color because it's a little bit ugly. It was just for reference, just to show you guys. Maybe like keep it gray. All right, that's not that bad. All right, so if you guys really check, failure to display below the low. Now we're just gonna inverse this gap here. So really looking at it, there's no area to reverse from, like other than maybe like this inside the bar high. As you guys know, inside the bar is a range, so maybe like I can just trade above the range and continue lower. But now, how can we trade the asset catch up? By a strength switch. Now this is the stronger, it needs to be weaker. This one to have some strength, and then we can trade it back to the upside. So that would be a perfect setup. That would be a really good setup. So let's see if gold is going to be a little bit weaker, and gold and silver to become a little bit stronger for us to catch up higher. That would be a good trade. Let's see. Yo, what's up, man? I thought you only traded at 10 a.m. Then I was surprised when I saw you live during the London session. Yeah, bro. Sometimes you just gotta adapt. And it's been like a minute since I started a stream, so that was like 2 reasons. But I did actually trade today, early on. What time was it? 4. Even before 6. Yeah, it's still for SMT break. Yup. Exactly. But let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get it or not. Too hard for the fucking radio. Make them remember. It's just so. This album is just so good, bro. If gold failed to manipulate, then trade silver with strength switch. I wouldn't really require failure to manipulate. I would just like the minute I'll see a strength switch, that's it. It just all right. Now we're just like we're kind of effing around. I want to see the high get taken out, bro. I want to see this high getting taken out. I want to see this high getting taken out because again, that's the only key level now because we had the gap on M15. There was like a gap, right, on M15 if I do remember. Yes. So the gap did not really cause a reversal, so this high might cause a reversal. Let's see. There will be like a clean setup here. Probably at 10 a.m. I think we're gonna just like if we close somewhere near and we have a gap and then we have like a 1 or 2 stage here, that would be a really good trade to trade back to that low here because we're forming a failure swing. And if you guys really check, in terms of advanced premium discount, that's really good. But if it was like that, that would be really perfect. One takes out a low, one setting at the EQ, that would be really good. But let's see. You never know. I might just reverse. What about your? I'm starting from 0, man. I'm keeping a buck with you guys. Keeping it honest. Starting from 0. So now you switch to trade both London and New York session? I wouldn't say so. But try to trade 6 a.m. If I have time at 6 a.m. I can trade it. If not, then I trade 10 a.m. Then if I have time on both, I can trade them both. But I haven't really traded for the past 2 months that active. Like I haven't been active on the charts, so I'm still like slowly getting back at it. I took a gold trade. I sent you a screenshot on Discord. You can just send it on like the general, so everybody like can benefit from it. Let me see. Let me check. Nice. M1. You took it on M1. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. By the way, bro, how many backtests forwards did there want governance for? By the way, bro, how many backtests and forward tests do you recommend for confidence? Which model do you? Oh, you're talking with the Ali. Okay. I'm thinking to spend some time to backtest the recent, so just want to get a better hand and things. Also, any suggestion trade? W, bro. Let's try to build it all live, man. Join a Gather mentorship or skip? I'm not gonna join no mentorships, bro. It's not just Garrett's mentorship. I'm not gonna join any other mentorship, bro. Yeah, I'll just keep doing what I'm doing, man. Like, have you guys checked? By the way, wait. Is it? What is it called? Chart Academy? Yeah, it's called Chart Academy. Have you guys checked the Chart Academy? Let me try to sign in. One sec. I forgot even my credentials. I don't know if I've signed in with like email or totally forgot. Alright, keep it for later. So, I think it's gonna be a good mentorship, I guess. I don't know. Garrett is good. He's a good teacher. Sometimes he makes things a bit complicated, but I don't know. I think it might be worth it. Alright, let me keep playing Drake. Yeah, I'm gonna play Habibji. Wannabe is good. Classic is good. I'm Spent is good. Oh, we got 28 viewers. I just paid attention. Welcome everybody. It's been a minute. And we have 15 likes. Let's go. Let's take it to 20 maybe. 32 viewers. Wow. We're coming back strong here. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. So let's see. Wait, let me give you guys all this. Dun, dun. I'm away. I'm right in your face with something to say. I know that you bought. That's it. Oh. Okay. What? GxT is a bit complicated. A little bit. But try to keep it simple. You can keep it simple if you try to. Give me guys 1 sec. Let me verify something on my phone. Yeah. All right. Let me show you guys. Have you guys checked my chart? Yo, bro. I missed you. Thank you, my brother. What's up, IX3? What's up, man? How you doing? Everything good? Life is good. I hope you guys are good. I hope everything's great with y'all. It's been a minute. Not a minute. 2 months. Let me take that back. It hasn't been a minute, bro. It's been 2 months. what you can do best is like if you try to profile a 4-hour candle, general liquidity, one stage or two stage, depending on if you're gonna trade the continuation reversal, and that's it. Try to keep it simple. And yeah. Let me see. Have you guys checked Chart Academy? I don't know if you guys checked it. You know what? I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna go to F12 and try to edit the name because I don't want to show my full name. Let me go here and change my name to The Refined Trader. The Refined. Wait, let me. You know what? Let me just call it Refined. Refined. All right. So we got it. Let me take that off. All right. So let's keep it refined. Have you guys checked the platform? I only watched one video. This guy. I was like, let me set a quality because this is the only one that's. Oh, all these are unlocked now? Okay. Complete order flow framework. And I did watch, let me check, like maybe 10 minutes it is. Yeah. So, no, not even. It's like this full 19 minutes. Probably, I don't know, 7 minutes I watched. Reading level 2 walls. How to read the footprint chart, locate an opportunity. I really want to check the platform. It looks really good. For this to be for free, it's really good. Oh, wait. I think it's going to be really good. No, it's not. So, shout out to Omar Ashraf. I just joined your live the first time. I've watched many of your YouTube. Just wanted to say thank you for thank you, man. You're welcome, and you're welcome. I hope you have benefited something there. Even I took that short in NQ. Perfect, man. Perfecto, perfecto. Fei Chang Hao. Fei Chang Hao is like very good in Chinese. All right, now we're seeing expansion lower, but still, bro, there's no cracking correlation. Oh my god. Let me set a 30-minute. Is that a PSP? I don't know if I would consider that a PSP or not. But that looks good, actually. Well, let's see. But still sitting just within a range. Still, silver is weaker. Still like same trend, so still going the same. This one's also good. It's a high five. Oh, this one's good. But I want to go with spin. I like it. I'm just not anybody. I done made the name. You going live during AM? Not sure, bro. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go chill with the boys. I think. I'm not sure. It's been a long week, bro. And tomorrow I'm going to another city to get some things done. So I'll be out for like I won't be home for like the next 2 to 3 days to solve some things out. So probably go chill tonight. I'm not sure, but I might stream if plans change. What time is it? Like it's 7 p.m. So I might leave in like I don't know an hour. Shower, get ready, and then go out. Cause I already took a trade for the day, even though like it's not the best, but still 1 hour is still better than nothing. But I'll be watching the chart, by the way. Oh, wait, I'll be watching the chart. I'll set my alerts and then like probably like 80% of my brain will go to the boys, and like 20 go to the charts. That'll be the case tonight. Okay, be mom. But it's really good to be back, by the way. It's really good, guys. It's, man, I'm feeling alive again. I'm feeling alive again, really. I'll try to be consistent for the next. Oh wait. No, I will show the notifications. Let me check from here. Let me take the calendar here. Let me go to July. So this is July. At least I'll be streaming for this week until the 13th, because 14th I'm traveling. Yeah, so 14th I can't make it. 15th I can't. I think this whole week I'm not gonna stream. And here I'll see if I get like a good internet there, because I'm not gonna be here for the next 2 months. So I'll see. We'll see how it goes. But at least for the next 2 weeks I'll stream. But I'll try if I'm out, I'll probably try to record some videos and do some trade breakdowns to keep like the channel alive and also like to provide some value. I think there's nothing, guys. So we're just gotta keep the alert here. What do you do besides trading? A lot of things. But I'm here because I was studying I finished my bachelor, now I've finished 20-year language course, and next year I'll do my master's degree. But besides school, I do quite a lot of different things. Trading is one of them. But I can't see like the other things. I can't. That's understand. Some to prove. Just go some to prove. Weird. What the fuck is that? We're getting dun, 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 dun. One sec, let me get something sorted out on my phone. One sec. Some to prove. Some to prove. Oh wow, trading lower. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we can trade a. Let's see if we can find something on M15 alone on the way down. Let me see what YM is doing. Oh man, YM is perfect with equal highs today, bro. One equal high here. Another here. Where was it? This one. And that's a PS. That's like a 2-stage here. Like trade above. That's like a 2-stage here. It's like a 2-stage. That's probably because the expansion, but still, it's just a bit too rangy for me to take. So just wait for a sec. Let's just wait. If it goes, it goes. It is what it is. My sum to prove. I got some needs. I need the money like I need to breathe. Let me get the background music. Let me check. Y'all can hear the background music now? Wait, let me see. I totally forgot to play background music. Let me check. Let me check. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but let me check. Let me try to see. I think y'all can. Alright, I think that's better. Alright, we keep some background music so to keep the stream alive. That's a little bit, that's a bit better. Okay, that's good. But you guys can still hear my voice, right? No issues. If you guys can still hear me clearly, let me know. So I can adjust like the volume and stuff like that. Alright, so we have expanded. Actually, should it lower? 3 minutes. Get that out of the way. Let me get this out of the way. We did have like, that's like a PSP line. Alright, let me see. So I think gold is getting a little bit weaker here. It's a little bit closer to the low, but I'm not gonna really trade this. Like, even if gold takes it out, I'm not really gonna trust this SMT here. It's so close to the low itself, so I can't. Alright. Alright, let me get that music playing right now. Can you guys spot a strength switch here or not? But I think there's none. No, there's none. There's none. Just forget about it. That's my motto. I'm not gonna put all this. No way. Again, it's just trade below a low, retrace, trade below a low, retrace. So, yeah, man, when you see like price kind of falling like that, it's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. Generation. That's a good gap. That's a good gap, actually. Okay, let's see. Let's see. See if this gap's gonna hold. Like, that's the only area we can trade away from. Trade lower in terms of lower time frame. Like, this gap here has already been traded into. So this gap should be like kind of that new PD array that push price lower. Let's see. Fifty on a flame, 50 on another color. And nobody's trailing me. Nobody trailing Scott. Like, now this candle doesn't really support expansion lower, so ideally, you want to wait for the 10 a.m. candle. Ideally. Or like a clean 90-minute swing. It looks good. Each O is looking a little bit better, to be honest. Like, if we form a C2 now, that's really good. That would be a really clean one. If you really check here, there are no gaps. Here, we have that gap here. So I think it will be easier for each O to trade lower. Like, we do have a gap here on. But at least to here, price would not struggle, so. Welcome back, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you for the love. Thank you. Let me do one for you, man. One for you, dog. And shout out to Merchant from here. If Merchant is here, shout out to you. I don't know where he's at. Connects here. What? Yo, what happened? Okay, now it's good. It's good. I thought they disconnected the stream, bro. Now it's back. All right, I think we're gonna go for a high right now. Let me see now. Like, our longs make sense? Do longs make sense? We do have like a one crack correlation in here. $90 minutes. 3 minutes. I mean, we do have like a two-stage BSP here. Interesting. That's really interesting to see. Would that be the catalyst to take out that high? Or at least this high? But like, I don't really want to look for longs other than here. Like, or when we kind of expand a little bit away from the low, then we form a gap, and then because the day is bearish, so I don't really want to go against that. let's see. So we do have the CSD. 4 hour is just ranging. We formed the low of that 4 hour candle. Is it from an hourly key level? Not really. So that's again another issue. We don't have like a key level. It's just like a 2-stage out of, again, when we have a leg here, there's no key level to reverse off of. We form a level, then reverse off of it. So I think that's a similar case here, but look at these lows. They're quite close, so let's see. Let's see if we're gonna confirm this 30 minutes here. That will be interesting. Or at least the M15. But the M15 is a bit far away. Like once price kind of trades back into like this AQ here, especially if like if price has already expanded, and then that swing from the like the swing high is a bit far away from the swing low, you'll find out that this is what you'll see. That's why like I want to target the AQ. Most of the time we have a new phase of price. Like if price expanded, then retraced, then form a swing, most likely than not we're not gonna go to low directly. Trace back the AQ, try to TP right there, ensure a new phase or a new swing, and then continue. That sweep, this liquidation here of these highs would be kind of like the reason to go like lower again. Have like more. Wait, let me check this again. Alright, so we did actually, that was actually the catalyst. Okay. Gold C2 on 2 hour time. I don't use the 2 hour, bro. I don't use the 2 hour. Where is the C2? Oh, you mean this C2 here? So like go for a low? No, I wouldn't really go for it. It's not really enough for me. But why does it show it's a PSP? That's the question. Is it with like Euro? Let me check. Yeah, it is. Okay, it's a PSP. I actually want to like look for the SMT break. Actually, I'm more interested in like waiting for a retracement back somewhere into the EQ, the range. I think shooting higher. That would be. But like, again, like you can trade it if you try. Like if you're Kano, no. Like if you have a big belief that will sit or retracing back, then you can try to frame like 2-stage crack and collision, but I just don't like the fact that I'll take it. No. Like if you know that this is going to happen, this is what's going to happen. If you think that's what's going on, because we never know. Ideally, try to avoid like these swings here. Try to avoid them. Try to get yourself here. Let me see the current daily candle. Is it bullish, bearish, inside bar? It's bullish. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have SMT at the lows. Okay. Let's see, where's 1800? It's here. Okay, open low into like a key level, which is this gap here. Then we're just expanding higher. So now we can use this range here. Let me take that up. Yeah. But like as long as like we have a key level and then we reverse off of it, then we have a spaced out swing. They have like some sort of correct correlation with this one, or ideally this leg here. That would be good. I would be willing to take it, even though like we're in premium of the range, but we have a key level that we can reverse off of. Don't you open up the window? Don't you open up the window? Don't you Popping pills is all we know. Fuck. It's a clean up the nice show. Let me try to clean my YouTube. Wait, one sec. Let me try to clean that. Let me try to take out the previous streams because they're just. Oh wow! I just got seven new subscribers. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. We're back at it. So we'll remove this one. All right, to keep the channel clean. Wait, that? Why it's not showing up? Delete. Do I want to delete forever? You know what? No. Let me just take them private, man. Just take them private. Alright, now I think it's gonna be better. Alright, let me go to YouTube. See if this changed or not. So don't you open up the window. Don't you let in live? Okay. Alright, it's good. Maybe I gotta change the thumbnail. Look at that. From April 29th, oh my god, to June 26th. Damn, bro. Can you increase the music volume? Can you increase the music volume? I can still hear. Okay, you guys want me to increase the, okay. Now it's better? Oh, if you mean this music, I can't. If I try to share this music, I'll get a copyright and the stream will end. So I can't share the desktop audio. I'm just sharing like NFC song. Is it NFC? NC, I don't know, bro. I don't know what it's called. Non-copyright music. NCP. Non-copyright music. NCM. Is it NCM? NCM music? I don't even know, bro. Is it NC? Yes. NCM. Okay. Non-copyright music. He's saying in a sarcastic. We need to evolve. Yeah, bro. That's what I was like. What the fuck? I was like, what? But maybe something like I also like that. I was like, I like the background music. I like to have a background music. Like now, I'm playing a background music. So I think if it's from that point of view, it makes sense. Like somebody say, can you increase it? All right. Let's wait. All right. Overall bias. I actually want to go for shorts, man. I really want to go for shorts. Trade back to the current low day. That's really the plan for me. But I think I'm gonna go close the stream right now, and I'm gonna be back at 10. I think that's gonna be the plan, guys. I just talked to a friend of mine. I think we're probably gonna go out tonight. So I'm just gonna go out. Get something sorted out. Try to get something to eat. And yeah, then I'll be back at 9:45 to 10. So yeah, I think that'll be the plan. Silver. Nothing really happening. Nothing really going on here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be back in hour and a half. I think I'll be back in like an hour and a half, I guess. So yeah, bear with me. Like What was I about to say, bro? My brain is not bringing it. All right, so I think I'm gonna close this stream. You know, how long have we been streaming for? 1 hour 25 minutes. All right, we keep it until 1 hour and 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna close the stream, and then I'll be back at 9:45, I guess. 9:45 or 10. One of the two. But I'll be streaming tonight. I'll be streaming the AM session. So, yeah. So, if you guys have something to do, go ahead and do it, and then we'll meet again at 10. 11 minutes stream. Let's try to trade 10 AM. You know, like, this is the first day back, so gotta get back stronger, you know? 2 streams. Alright. So maybe tomorrow do like a stream for like a review session or something. Maybe. What do you guys think? We go for, you know what? Let me add one. Review stream. Yes or no for tomorrow? No, not tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. Let's decide first. Yes or no? Like a review stream. Yes or no? Let me see if you guys will like the idea or not. We'll try to go over the week and see like which opportunities that could have been taken, how they could have been taken, why I did not take them, stuff like that, and how it could have been. Let me see. We only have 1 vote, so we have 20 viewers now, so we need at least 10 votes. So we'll wait for like 10 votes. Once we get like to 10 votes, then I'll be good to go. So we got 4 votes now. Okay, we got 6 more. We need 6 more. Alright. We get 5 votes. Okay, so we still need 5 more. Okay, we got. Alright. Let's keep it running. Oh. Okay, I think I like what I'm seeing, bro. Let me set a 45. 45 is about it. We just closed right now, 45 minutes. The 90 minute looks good. I think I'll look for this. 90 minute counts closed. Alright, so I think it's gonna be. Alright, we need 4 more votes. If you guys haven't voted yet, go ahead and vote. And if you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would really help the channel grow. And it would also motivate me to get back to streaming. So we got 22 likes. Maybe like we can take it to like 25 though. Like more people will know. I'm probably also posting on Instagram. I'm not sure if I'll post it on Instagram or not, but at Discord I think is enough. Discord will do the job, and yeah, so I think that'll be the case. I think this 90 minute, if we have this 90 minute channel closure, that's really good. That was really good. I think I love what I'm. Oh wow. Oh my god. That's really good. 45. We have the PSP and we have the SMG. So we would have like a 2-stage SMG. We do have a 2-stage tracking correlation on 45. So yeah, I think if we get like this, if we get something like this, I'll probably take it. Somebody set an alert. Somewhere around this order block here. All right, that looks good. That looks good actually. To go for like this fire swing here. That's looking juicy, bro. Oh my god, I want to take this now. Alright, I want to take this straight here before I go. Let me try to set an alert here. If I see this, chase me back. But this, like, ideally just straight back to this gap. CISD. I'm gonna take it. TP here. And then I'll leave the trade running and go outside. Like, it doesn't give me that trade thing. So I'll try to wait for it. For the next, I'll give it until 8:30. If it's up before 8:30, that would be great. If not, then I'll try to watch it on. I'll try to watch it from the phone. But I don't like this gap here at all. It's like the only problem. That's only the gap. That's why I preferred HO in terms of the 90 minutes. Not that there's nothing really there. That's cost price here to like struggle to deliver lower. Okay, we got 10 votes. Okay. Now we're gonna do another vote for which day. Saturday. Sunday. Alright, you guys have another. You guys can check it out. Okay, alright, look at that. We cheated above the high. That was really holding price. And now we're gonna form a C2. Okay. So I really want to wait for the candles to close because I would like how this traded back into the high and now it's reversing. I think I'm gonna take it directly, guys. I think I'm gonna take it directly. Do we have a cracking correlation? Do we have any cracking correlation? Let me check. And we have 1 minute flags for the candle to close. Okay. No rush. This can support expansion. This current 15 support expansion. Another alert on CL. Okay. Interesting. Alright, so now we're gonna do another one here. But I think I'll go for the candle to close because we have no cracking correlation. I'm also reforming a gap that price might continue from. Look at that gap. Shaded, we have 2-stage cracking correlation. Now we're forming below the 6 AM. We might have this open low, high, chew, higher. You know what I'm saying? Just try to pay attention. Try to be a little bit patient here. Alright, look at that. It's going higher, so this one started going forward. Let's see. I'll wait for the next probably for YN. Yeah, I think we have no pricing correlation. Yeah. 15. Yeah, nothing. YN looks good. Did you get the closing incurred? No. Incurred. Yes. No. Okay. So a lot of people say Saturday. How many votes do we have? How many votes? We got 4 votes. If you guys haven't voted yet, go ahead and check that chat. We're doing a new vote for like to do it either on Saturday or Sunday. So if you guys haven't voted yet, you guys can go ahead and vote. Alright, we're gonna close that gap now. I think we're gonna close that gap. Let me just make sure we're gonna close it. Alright, I'll wait for. Okay, since I missed the initial one, the minute we're gonna close the gap, I'll be interested in nothing in intracandle change of state. Intracandle. Or this note here. I'm not really gonna go for the exchange. I'll just go for this one. I think we'll give 2R. Quite easy. So, yeah, we got 9 minutes left. Inky shorts, yeah, that's what I'm trying to see. But let's see if we'll have an intracandle change of state, because on A15 there's no cracking correlation for me to take. So I would prefer confirmation with like an intracandle change of state, then maybe I'll say it looks good. But again, we're still forming like a minor gap on A15 and also here. And we have this auto block with like a 2-stage cracking correlation at the lows. And this is the low of that 6 AM candle. This might be. This is the current 4-hour candle now. If you guys really check, if you take this. Oh wait, this is the current 4-hour. So again, within that 4-hour candle, we'll have a new invalidation level, which is now this auto block for this gap. So we might see like a 1-stage here to continue higher. Because price struggled to go lower, so It can either go up or down. Again, also sideways, but it went sideways. Two-stage current close in AMD. Now we're expanding higher. If we're not gonna close that gap, then that might be a little bit of an issue. I really want to see this gap getting closed. That's like the same issue on 30 minutes. But like this gap here, that's like the worst thing to do. Like when you're shading, when you have gaps with left, that's the worst. Alright, so we just closed the gap. Okay. Looks good, looks good. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we can close it. We still have like this tiny gap here open. But like what I want to see right now, just get back into like this gap here. Give confirmation, continuation, then I'm taking it. It's really going down. Stop music if you can. Music, oh, music is still on. Better now? Check now, guys, if you guys can hear it better. Trust me, baby, trust me. What's the indicator you're using for what? For the higher time frame candle? This is like a Trader Kane. Trader Kane's the indicator. It's called TLM. Higher time frame candles. It's the same as this one, like ICT family, but I like this one, so I kept them both. Put an alert here. Trust me. Alright, I think we're seeing this getting set up. Okay. I'll wait for the 3 minute. Music is okay, okay, perfect. Alright. Let me move my body a little bit. I've been sitting for like 2 hours straight. Alright, okay. Alright, so it's gonna be on Saturday. Okay. Alright. So get that delivered to you guys. Tomorrow we'll have a session. I'll announce the time. Tomorrow. Try to announce the time. Because I'll be in another city, so once I finish my thing, and then get back to the hotel. Wait, tomorrow's Saturday. I might even go back home tomorrow, like on the same day. Because I forgot I have to do something also here like tomorrow. So I might just go in the morning, get back probably like 5 or 6, get my things sorted out. and then at like 10 my time, which is 10 a.m. Like just like the 10 a.m. for Argentina at the same time, but it'll be like 10 p.m. for me. Then I might do the stream for like an hour and then go to bed. Probably, but I'll let you know. I'll let you know beforehand. I'll let you know. Oh my god, bro! Like today is the perfect day for equal lows. Look at that. Silver is forming an equal lows. 1 a.m. is forming equal lows. What's wrong with y'all, man? All right, I think. Okay. I might see that. I might see the closure here, but I don't like actually. I don't like this PA, to be honest. I don't like this PA. There's no key level really that we're trading away from. Like we have this gap on the 45. We have a gap here. We're really low on the leg. Check. So it makes sense to like, kind of go a little bit higher before it kind of goes lower, and at the same time, so yeah. When you're a little bit confused, just don't trade that. Just don't trade it. Could you share settings of the indicator? Which one? They're both default parameters. I don't think I've edited any of this. They're just like that. No, I think I did. I think I did for the high time frame candle. I do 15, 1 hour, 4, 6. That's it. Let's see if we're gonna get this trade here before I go. Fuel and gold. I'm still waiting for this low on silver to get taken out. Like I really want to take it to the upside, but we have equal lows here. Like that's the only issue. Like we did trade below irrelevant swing. We do have 2-stage PSP. Silver is forming equal lows, man. Like what's wrong with silver? Like why does the chart look a bit shit? Why does it look like that, bro? It looks like Tesla. If you go to Tesla, maybe just like that, man. Oh, bro, Tesla even looks better. Yeah, it just looks like a Tesla, bro. It's like a Tesla chart. I want to see this low getting taken out. I want to see like his strength twitch. Like now this one. Okay, we're getting the low. We're getting the low taken out. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get the closure out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'll try to go for like as long as I get 2R. Then I'll just try to mark EQ. Alright, let me lock in. Let's take our first L on stream. Come on guys, let's take our first L on stream. Let's go. I don't think I'm gonna get the closure. Once you see the delivery, especially what's this, the new 15-minute candle open, and it just kind of delivers lower really quick, and then it fills to this place, fills with CST, then we're going the other way around. Alright, going the other way. So yeah, I think that will be it. That will be it for this stream. I'll be back in like an hour and a half. Wait, let me schedule the stream right now so you guys can. Alright, we're getting the closure on CL. Okay, interesting, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it for a moment. So I'm just gonna go ahead right now and schedule a new stream. We're gonna go live. Schedule. Okay, schedule stream. We'll do reuse settings, and then we'll do next. It will be public. Then we go for 10. Wait, let me check. What's going on here? Oh my god, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, so we got a new stream. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy the link. Copy the link, and then, yeah, that will be it. So we're gonna go to content. We'll see live. Is this camera? No, but why does it look this way? Delete. Delete forever. Let me do another one. Go live. Schedule stream. Reuse settings. So you're supposed to use the same thumbnail. Okay, now it's good. Next. Next. Public. Why is it private? 10. Done. Is it good now? Let me check. Why does it look like that? I don't know. But all right, let me go to Discord. Go to Discord. I'm just gonna add everyone. CL10. All right, I think that should be it. But the Discord is not being the message has not been sent. All right, it's there. All right. Oh, look at InQ. Okay, let's give it a shot. Let's give it another shot. Let's give it another shot. Let's see. I'll go with like 2. It's gonna be 6120. Yeah, I'll go with like 120 risk. It's good. It's good to get back slowly. Like, if you guys know, like I risk $500 to $400 up now since I haven't been back to the charts for a long time. So I'm just gonna risk it a little bit for today and maybe, yeah, that's it. Just get back on the flow. The next week, be back to their normal risk. All right, let's take a first sell on stream. Let's go. What's the song? Let's keep it. I might have the assumption. Oh, okay, wait. I'm gonna take ES actually. Tell your friends, let's get drunk. Call 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 your friends, let's get drunk. 300? No, I'm not gonna go with 300. Let's just go with ES. And then I'll go with like 5 pawns. Let's see if we're gonna get closure or not. I don't like these closures like the last 2 seconds. I don't like this. I'll go with NQ. I'll wait for NQ to retest. I'm gonna go with like just 1 here. In case it just doesn't go back. But I'll go for this one. Alright, let's see if we're gonna get tagged in on this one. What happened? I just now heard this sound. I was like, cool. Let's see if we're gonna get tagged in now. Let me see the 1 minute. Alright, we have this gap. This price kind of reacts from this gap here on the M1. Alright. Oh my god. We're gonna have a second drive. I believe in you, InQ. I believe in you. Come on. Look at that. They trade back into the. Oh, they trade into the gap. Okay. All right. Let's wait. This candle is gonna trade. Take out this candle high for reversal. Then take it straight. Yeah. Life is good. Call your friend. Let's get drunk. Call your friend. Let's get drunk. Millionaire, $2. All right, let's wait. Let's wait and see. So we closed the gap, right? Yeah, we did. But we don't have any cracks in correlation. Oh, that's another issue. We have no crack in correlation, guys. We don't have one stage. We just kind of trade the idea more than the crack and correlation. Like, we don't have the crack and correlation confirmation, just like kind of fell to this place above. We have the second CISD. 30-minute form, the C2 fell to this place. So that's like the whole idea. But let's see if we're gonna play out or not. We don't have any cracks and correlation, so that's not the best. Well, let's see. All right, so we keep the trade running. I'm not really gonna touch it, guys. I'm not really gonna touch it. Either a stop or a TP. So see you guys at 10, okay? And then you guys will know if I if it's a W or an L. Okay. See you guys in like an hour and a half. Okay. So you guys take care. Love you guys, and see you in a minute. Bye bye. It's like Jan. All right. See you guys.